Today for Web Design 101, I would like you to create a repl account so that we can do online projects throughout the closure. To get to repl, Google search repl.it, hit enter. I should bring up the repl online IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Click on that. Before you do that, make sure you are logged in into Google with your Google School account. Click on Login. Choose the Google emblem. This will log you in. The first screen will ask you some information. You may fill that out if you want. It's going to ask you for a couple more programming languages. You probably want to choose Python and any other Python related or JavaScript related languages. Or you can skip it and just go to repl and create a new repl. And in this case, you're going to use HTML, CSS. If your language isn't listed, you can come down here and find it if you didn't choose it in that first screen, you can come down here and choose it out of this screen. But either way, you should have HTML, CSS, JSS, and this should be, we'll call this HTML practice, and create the repl. This will take you to the actual HTML interface, the repl programming interface. Over this side, we have our files, we have our index, we have a script, and we have an external CSS file that the main program is already linked to. You can run the program. At this be no output. You can test the output by adding a tag such as h1. This is a test. Then sign greater than h1. Run that. And you should get output. There's our test as an h1. Now the last thing you need to do is share this newly created HTML practice with me. So click on invite, come down here to the username, and you're going to type in Blakeney M at wvsd208.org and invite me. My name should show up as Miles Blakeney, and you are good to go. Return to the Google Classroom and after you've completed this and turn in the assignment.